The question most marketers ask themselves after publishing a piece of content is, did it actually move the needle, or was it just another drop in the ocean of online noise? Here's the truth. Not all content is created equal, and not all is effective. But what defines content effectiveness? And more importantly, how can you measure it? In this lesson, we'll explore what content effectiveness really means, the goals and metrics that shape its definition, how to ensure your content hits the mark every time. That's what we'll talk about. So to start, what is content effectiveness? It's the degree to which your content helps you achieve your marketing goals. These goals can vary: building brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating direct conversions. Think of it this way: effective content isn't just creative, it's purposeful. And here's the catch: effectiveness depends on your campaign's objectives and your target audience. For example, a long-term SEO strategy might take months to pay off, but it delivers sustained traffic growth. A short-term paid ad campaign can drive immediate sales, but requires constant investment to maintain results. Your marketing goals directly shape how you define content effectiveness. Let's break this down by campaign type. Awareness campaigns. And the goal: expand your reach. Metrics, impressions, and reach. Engagement campaigns. The goal: encourage interaction. Metrics are likes, shares, and clicks, as well as comments. Nurture campaigns. The goal: retain audience interest. Metrics include time on page, click-through rates, and return visits. Conversion campaigns. The goal: drive measurable actions. Metrics include sales or signups. Imagine this: a nonprofit runs an awareness campaign and measures reach using impressions. Later, they shift focus to conversions, tracking signups as their key metric. This evolution highlights why your metrics must align with your goals. To measure content effectiveness, focus on 7 core metrics. Website traffic tracks how many people visit your site. Engagement metrics measures likes, shares, and comments, as well as interactions. Conversions tracks sales, signups, or key actions. SEO performance look at rankings, keywords, and organic visibility. Retention monitors repeat visitors and brand loyalty. Cost includes ad spend and content creation expenses. Finally, ROI. Compare revenue generated to what you spent. Here's how these metrics come to life. A blog post goes viral and drives 50% of your monthly traffic. Success for website traffic. A social media campaign with interactive polls gets high share rates. An engagement win. A paid ad generates 5 times the revenue as its cost. A strong ROI. These metrics are interconnected. For instance, improved SEO boosts website traffic, which increases engagement and conversions. But there are trade-offs. Entertaining content might boost engagement, but lower conversions if the call to action isn't clear. So how can you ensure your content is effective? Define your goals: awareness, engagement, or conversions. Your objectives guide your metrics. Track key metrics, measure performance, and identify relationships between metrics. Focus on alignment. Ensure every piece of content has a purpose and a measurable outcome. The most effective content doesn't just perform, it aligns with your goals. Take a moment to revisit your content strategy and ask yourself, is every piece you create purposeful? Does it deliver measurable outcomes? With the right approach, your content can move the needle and drive real results.